NASA is the space agency run by the United States to oversee American space exploration, research, and technology. NASA, or the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, was founded in 1958 as a civilian agency for U.S. space exploration. Prior to 1958, the agency progenitor was known as the National Advisory Committee for Aeronautics. NASA develops, builds, and launches missions to study the Earth, Moon, and Sun, as well as the entire solar system and beyond. The agency has its headquarters in Washington, D.C., with major centers in Florida, the Kennedy Space Center for Launches, and Houston, the Johnson Space Center, home of the astronaut corps. Other centers are spread around the country for specific research, test flights, and spacecraft manufacturing. NASA current chief is Administrator Jim Bridenstine, who is leading the agency's missions of returning astronauts to the moon and sending them to the Mars.